Whatever. Jesus. Now I'm coughing over this shit. I didn't see grape, but I'm look full flavor to me. Some red package. What, cherry? Should have read the bottom of it. I don't know why that Lee ordered that shit in. That's one in full flavor. He saw enough of it, but I'm getting regular flavor today. I didn't pick that shit up either. Some other guy did. It's made a cough like an ass. Shit's bullshit. I don't mind the taste, but I know we smell Swisher Sweet cigars or cherry, but white tobacco cigarettes. The fuck? I don't know. Now it comes in grape and all this other bullshit. God. Might as well be cigarette tobacco flavored, you know? That vape shit we sell too, that's bullshit. It's like this bullshit, makes you cough like a bastard. I don't do vape, but everyone else coughs. They even try a cigarette, but they're coughing worse than cigarettes ever will. They're coughing like they smoked like 20 years. And the chemicals from China. Well, I don't know, I'm surprised this cherry's back. I don't know, it's one of that shit anymore. I smoked the rest of it up, but I'm getting full flavor today.